हेलो एवरीवन। ये 501 वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन की सीरीज चल रही है जिसका ये पार्ट 8 है। इसमें हम 351 से लेकर 400 तक वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन कवर करेंगे और ये ऐसे वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन है जो कि एसएससी ने बहुत बार रिपीट किया है। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट है प्रोडिगी, PRODIGY, एन अनयूजुअली गिफ्टेड इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन, अद्भुत वस्तु। प्रोफेट, PROPHET, a person sent by God to teach the people and give them message from God, पैगंबर। Proselyte, PROSELYTE, a person who has been converted to another religious or political belief, धर्मांतरित व्यक्ति। Protocol, PROTOCOL, a system of fixed rules and formal behavior used at official meetings, न्यायाचार, शिष्टाचार। Pun, PUN, the clever or humorous use of a word that has more than one meaning, or of words that have different meanings but sound the same, दो अर्थी वचन। Pyromania, PYROMANIA, an obsessive desire to set fire to things, दहनु दहनुमाद। Ransom, RANSOM, money that is paid to kidnappers, फिरौती। Rapacious, RAPACIOUS, greedy for money, लालची। Refugee, REFUGEE, a person who has been forced to leave his country, home, because there is a war or for political, religious or social reason, शरणार्थी। Retaliate, RETALIATE, return the same sort of attack, give tit for tat, प्रतिकार करना। Retreat, RETREAT, to move away from a place, to back off, पीछे हटना। Rhetoric, RHETORIC, speech writing that is intended to influence people but that is not completely honest, sincere. वक्र पटुता। Ridicule, REDICULE, unkind remarks that make fun of somebody, something or making it look silly, उपहास। Ritual, a series of actions that are always performed in same way, especially as part of religious ceremony, अनुष्ठान। Sadist, SADIST, a person who gets pleasure from hurting other people, परपीड़क। Sanctity, SANCTITY, a state of being very important and worth protecting, पवित्रता। Sanguine, SANGUINE, optimistic in an apparently difficult situation, आशावादी। Satire, SATIRE, a way of criticizing a person, an idea or an institution in which you use humor to show its fault, weakness, हास्य व्यंग्य। Skeptic, SCEPTIC, someone who habitually doubt accepted beliefs, संदेहवादी। Skepticism, SCEPTICISM, an attitude of doubting that claims, settlements that are true and that something will happen, संदेहवाद। Schedule, SCHEDULE, a plan that lists all the work that you have to do and when you must do each thing, अनुसूची। Scholar, a person who knows all about a particular subject because he has studied it in detail, Pandit। Seer, SEER, a person who claims that he can see what is going to happen in the future, पैगंबर। Seismology, SEISMOLOGY, a scientific study of earthquake, भूकंप विज्ञान। Spectrugenarian, SEPTUAGENARIAN, a person between the age of 70 and 79, 70 वर्ष की अवस्था का मनुष्य। Socialist, SOCIALIST, a person who believes in or supports the belief that everyone has an equal right to a share of country's wealth and that the government should own and control the main industries, समाजवादी। Sojourn, SOGOURN, a temporary stay, as a guest, डेरा डालना। Soporific, SOPORIFIC, A drug making you want to go to sleep. Nindasa. Sororicide. SORORICIDE. The murder of one's sister. बहन की हत्या. Suffrage. SUFFRAGE. The right to vote in political elections. मताधिकार. Summary. SUMMARY. A brief account of a subject. सारांश. Superstitious. SUPERSTITION. Superstition. A belief that particular event happened in a way that cannot be explained by reason. Science. Andhvishwas. Psychopath. SYCOPHANT. A person who praises important or powerful people too much and in a way that it is not sincere, especially in order to get something from them. Chaplus. Synagogue. SYNAGOGUE. A building where the Jews meet for religious worship and teaching. यहूदियों का आराधनालय. Taxidermy. TEXIDRMY. The art of stuffing dead animals, birds and fish with a special material so that they may look like living ones and can be displayed. शर्म पूर्ण करना. Teetotaler. TEETOTALLER. Teetotaler. A person who does not drink alcohol. मादक द्रव्यों का त्यागी. Temporal. TEMPORAL. Connected with, limited by time. थोड़े समय का. Tenacious. TENACIOUS. Sticking together. संलग्न शील. Terrestrial. TERRESTRIAL. Living on the land, on the ground rather than in water, on tree, in air. पृथ्वी संबंधी. Terrorist. TERRORIST. A person who uses violent action in order to achieve political aim or to force a government to act. आतंकवादी. Theism. THEISM. Believe in the existence of God. आस्तिकता. Theology. THEOLOGY. The study of religion and beliefs. धर्मशास्त्र. Topology. TOPOLOGY. The way the parts of something are arranged and related. संस्कृति. Traitor. TRAITOR. A person who works against his country. गद्दार. Transitory. 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 Continuing for only a short time. क्षण साथी. Trivial. TRIVIAL. Not important or serious. Not worth considering. तुच्छ. Truant. TRUANT. A child who stays away from school without permission. गैर हाजिर रहने वाला. Truism. TRUISM. A statement that is clearly true and does not add anything interesting or important to a discussion. सामान्य सत्य. Usurer. USURER. A person who lends money to people at unfairly high rate of interest. सूदखोर. Vandal. VANDAL. A person who deliberately destroys damaged public property. बर्बर. तो इस पार्ट 8 में हमने कंप्लीट किया 51 वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन. अब नेक्स्ट पार्ट में 401 से लेकर 450 तक हम कंप्लीट करेंगे. अगर ये यहाँ तक आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, और आप अगर मुझसे कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं या कुछ सजेस्ट करना चाहते हो तो आप कमेंट करके मुझे बता सकते हो. और अगर आप चैनल के साथ बने रहना चाहते हैं तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू सो मच.